Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rizex Labs. Today we are going to talk about something very important happening in the Salesforce world, and honestly, this can completely change the future of the Salesforce developer. This topic is Headless 360. Salesforce has now entered in the AI era, and if you are the admin, developer, or even the beginner who wanted to start your career in the Salesforce, you must understand this change before it's too late. So, in this video, I will explain what is Headless 360, what actually changed in the Salesforce, why developer in India should care, which skill becoming important, and how you can prepare yourself for it for the future. So let's get started. Earlier, whenever we use Salesforce, we had to open the browser, log in into the org, open the setup, click on multiple menus, write the Apex code into the developer console itself that will open on the browser, deploy it manually using the change set and other DevOps tools. Basically, Salesforce was fully UI based, but now Salesforce says you don't need to open the browser. Yes, you heard it right. Now AI agents, API, MCP tools, CLI commands can directly access Salesforce. That means create a record, run the flow, deploy the code, read the metadata, execute the automation, everything. Even create the Apex code or create the flow. Everything we can do without opening the browser or opening the Salesforce UI. This announcement was made during the Trailblazers DX 2026. What is Headless 360? Simple explanation I will give you about the Headless 360. So let me explain in very simple language. Think it like this. Earlier, Salesforce was software humans can use manually. Now, Salesforce became an AI infrastructure platform, meaning AI tools like Claude, Cursor AI, Codex by ChatGPT, GPT agents, GPT-based various multiple LLMs, right? Gemini can directly talk to Salesforce using the API, MCP tools, and CLI command. This called as headless Salesforce means Salesforce without traditional UI. Why it is important? Because if we talk about if we talk about the real change, the real change starts in the Salesforce industry. Salesforce industry is entering something called as builder gap. Builder gap is the term that is being given by the Salesforce, right? So some developers will grow very fast, and some people may struggle. Who is at risk? People doing only click and configure, right? Point and click, who are accessing the point and click tools, developers depending only on certifications, developers ignoring the AI tools, people writing the repetitive boilerplate Apex or LWC code, they are at the risk, right? Who will win? The developers who can learn AI tools, then AI agent, right? They can build the AI agent, they can use the MCP tools, they can use the Agentforce and Agentforce vibes. They can work with APIs. They are comfortable with APIs. They are comfortable with LWC, TypeScript, React, and AI agent governance. These are the people. These skills are becoming the future of the Salesforce. Now, why India should care about it, right? So India is the biggest Salesforce market. We know that according to the industry reports, Salesforce ecosystem jobs in India are growing rapidly. Bangalore alone has the huge AI demand. If we talk about the Bangalore only, they have the research center as well about the Salesforce. Salesforce R&D teams are already working on the Agentforce initiative. That means Indian developers who start learning these skills early will get massive advantage. Especially the cities like the developers belongs to the cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, etc., etc. Means major IT hubs in India. This is the real time that you need to upgrade yourself before it is too late. Now, the tools every developer should learn. These are some tools that every developer should learn means in 2026. First is Agentforce. This is a Salesforce AI agent platform. You can build a intelligent AI agent inside the Salesforce. This is becoming one of the highest demanding skills in 2026. Then we have the Cursor AI. Cursor AI is AI powering coding, right? Means it is a vibe coding platform. You simply describe what you want in the natural language. The cursor writes the code for you. It is even connects directly to the Salesforce MCP. Means there are lots of Salesforce MCP tools, model context protocol tools that we can connect to the Cursor AI. Then we have Claude Code. The Claude Code is the AI coding assistance from the Anthropic. It can read the Salesforce metadata, write the Apex code, deploy the terminals, right? Work from the terminals, right? We can deploy the code as well, right? Very powerful for the developers. Then we have Agentforce Vibe. This is the AI powered development experience inside the Salesforce. And interesting thing is Salesforce is giving everything free. Means a Cursor AI is free, Agentforce is free, Agentforce Vibes is free, and the Claude Sonnet platform that is means the particular model, the Sonnet model powered the Agentforce Vibe. So we can say that the Claude Sonnet, the paid platform, is also free here, right? So there is no excuse for the developer who wanted to learn it by themselves. And the best part is Rizex Labs, all the Salesforce curriculum are AI enabled. So these are all the things we have in our syllabus. So if you are the Rizex alumni, then you are the future ready. Now, how you can start the learning, right? Now this is the biggest question that all the people are confused about, because uh, these are the a lot of skills, and if you wanted to learn it right in the day, in single day, it is not possible. So what should you do from today, right? There is a simple roadmap, right? I have divided the roadmap properly, right? This week, create the developer or try Agentforce Vibe, explore the code, right? So these are the things that you need to do on the day one. Then in the month, you need to learn about building the AI agent, right? At least you need to build one AI agent. You need to learn the TypeScript basics, and you need to practice the Cursor AI, because AI enabled development is the future. Then in the next 2 to 3 months, you need to learn Salesforce API, learn OAuth credentials, OAuth authorization, build the headless gap, then learn data cloud basics as well, because Agentforce is running on the data cloud. Okay, and yes, try the Salesforce AI associate certificates also, because it will stamp, or it will be the your AI identity in the Salesforce ecosystem, and it is free of cost available. You can just do it properly, right? Without any cost. Then now the most important thing is AI is not the future. AI is already here. The only question is, are you using the AI? Are you, or you are getting replaced from it, right? So the Salesforce ecosystem is changing very fast. In next 12 to 18 months, this is extremely important for the developer. So let's start learning it, right? Timing is everything, right? If you miss this bus, you will find very difficult to learn properly, right? Or you will find very difficult to survive in the industry. So if you wanted to stay ahead in the market, start experimenting. Just follow this roadmap, right? It is self means you can just go ahead on the Trailhead or the YouTube to just simply explore the things, right? If you found this particular video helpful, then hit the like button, subscribe to the Rizex Labs, right? Comment below if you want to learn these things, right? And if you wanted to have the trainings around the AI, Salesforce AI, we also do provide the trainings, right? So we have module specific training, as well as we have the entire Salesforce AI training. So just check out our website, and if you wanted to connect with us, just check the WhatsApp link or WhatsApp number in the chat box. Thank you.